Okay, I'm going to show you how to use the phone apps. I'm going to call my wife, and there we go. And she's going to pick up. Alright, so we have a few options here. Let's say that you were calling somebody, or maybe an organization, that asks you to enter an extension. Well, now you need to dial some more numbers, so you can select the number pad option here, and you have the numbers available to you. If you don't need the numbers, click hide, which is right here. Back to where we were. If you want to put it on speaker, tap audio, just like so. And right now iPhone is selected, but we want speaker, so we tap speaker, and now it's on speaker. So you can step away from your phone and talk and listen without the phone being right up to your ear. I'm going to select iPhone again since I don't need it to be in speaker mode. There you go. If I want to go into contacts maybe, and if I want to send a text to someone or to my wife while we're talking on the phone, I can tap on contacts, and I can text anyone in my contacts list, or I can share a photo with someone or anything like that. Alright, so I'm going to cancel, so I'm going to tap that. If I want to convert this phone call into a FaceTime, you just tap that. As I recall, all that it would do is just convert it into a video FaceTime conference. If I want to add someone into this phone call, I can tap Add Call, and then I can select someone from my list. But I don't think I need to do that, so I'm going to go back to my keypad in my phone apps. I'm going to tap down here where it says Keypad. And notice that that keypad is actually not the same keypad. It doesn't relate to the phone call that I'm currently on. So I'm going to swipe up like so, and then the original phone call interface appears. And if you want to mute the call for whatever reason, you can tap that. Let's say that you want to access a phone call, an incoming phone call, while you're using an app. So let's say that I'm using Google, I'm looking up something, and let's say that someone calls me. Well, all I have to do is simply tap a little banner that comes from the top of my phone. So I'm going to demonstrate how that works. So you see how on the top I can ignore whatever I was doing on this app, and I can select the green button if I want to accept the call, or red if I don't. So I'll accept the phone call, and notice that I can keep doing whatever it is on my app so that I'm not interrupted unnecessarily, and yet I can still talk to my wife, although it's probably best to click the speaker button right here. So I'm going to tap that, and I can select speaker, and then I can talk to her. And I want to use a different app. I just simply swipe up. I can use that other app. I know that I'm still on the phone call with my wife because the clock up here has a green background to it, and that's why I know I'm still on the phone call with my wife. So if I tap that, then I can go back to my number pad, and I can have access to these various controls here.